Good morning, everyone. It is Monday, April 26th, 2021, about 6:10 a.m. Eastern Time. I have the Excel Astro tool up here. I want to just take a look at uh, the week ahead, see how it looks. We've got uh, this upward move is at the area where we're peaking out here now, so we have downward pressure going down into the 27th. You can see we head down here at my cursor and we get down below the -20 line and we stay there until we bottom out on the 29th, and that's going to be around noontime on the 29th. We bottom out there, and then it looks like we're going to trek up there into Friday. We'll see if our double top holds and if we get this downward trend starting to evolve this week. So just a quick trend update this morning. I'm going to make this one short today and leave it there. We will see you again with another video tomorrow. Thanks for watching.